guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I will be doing this look, and I was inspired by one of my favorite makeup artists, and I will be linking down her name below, so if you guys want to check her out. And if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already did this side. What a difference, like, oh my god. Like, whenever I don't have makeup and whenever I do, oh my lord. Okay, anywho, I did the foundation as well, but for this side, I'm not going to do it on camera. I'm going to do it off camera just because you guys already have seen me do my foundation before. So I'm just going to go ahead and focus more on my eye. So to prime my eye, I went in with the Plouise base. I've been using it for maybe like 2 months already, and I love it. It's like super good. So if you guys can't find like a good base that makes your eyeshadow pop a lot more and helps you blend a lot better, I seriously recommend the Plouise base. And the first color that I will be taking off this palette, I've been loving this palette lately. It's super good, super pigmented. It does have quite a bit of fallout, but I think any eyeshadow palette has at least a little bit of fallout, so it's really, really good. So the first colors that I will be taking are going to be this brown one and this hot pink. So you want to start applying it on your brow bone lightly. You always want to start off lightly whenever you're working with a dark color, and the reason is that if you don't, you're gonna have this really hard, harsh line in your crease or just throughout your lid, and it's gonna be really hard for you to take it out. So once we have that blended, you want to go ahead and take the brown that we used with the hot pink and apply it right under the color. I'm sorry guys, my mom called and I couldn't talk or anything, so I just showed you guys the base to use to cut my crease. So I just cut it like this, kind of like in an oval shape. And I will be taking my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Excuse me, it's super dirty, but in reality, like, all my palettes are dirty. Like, I don't know, I just think every makeup artist cannot keep their essence really clean unless you're like super organized and everything, but that's hard, especially if you have a lot of palettes. Okay, so I will be taking this gold, and that's gonna go right here in the inner corner. Okay, and then my second color I will be using is gonna be this, I would say like kind of rose goldish color. And then my third color, I will be taking this maroon. Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette is just like so pretty. I forget about it. Well, I mean, I don't forget about it, but you know, like, you just start messing like with other palettes and you forget about other palettes that are really good. And you just want to tap in between the colors so you can blend it and not lose any pigmentation. Okay, now back to my BeBella Pro palette. I will be taking this brown first, and then I will be applying this black on top. So that's just gonna go right here so I can kind of blend it. I am going to cut my crease once again, and the only reason for that is that I will be adding some purple glitter. The glitter I did apply is this one. I bought these glitters off Amazon.com, I think. But I think it came like with 20 little glitters of different colors. And it said on there that it was for your nails, for your makeup, and like some other stuff. But don't ever buy glitter that you can use it as makeup, because if you do, you can really like hurt yourself. You can actually go blind. Okay, so now I will be drawing my eyeliner with this one, and this one's from Alamarcosmetics. Okay, my eyelashes I will be applying are these, and these are from lidlush.com as well. I just don't know the name. I lost the box, so I don't know what they're called, but they look like this.
You should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams.
So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera, and then I'll be back and finish under my eye. I will be using the Plouise base and the shade 0, and I'm gonna use that as my eyeliner. I think it works way better than all these eyeliners that I've actually tried. And then I will be taking this color and I will be adding it below the white liner. And then I'll be adding this one as well. And for my inner corner, I will be taking this one from Alamarcosmetics. I will be taking this goldish color and highlighting my brow bone. Alright guys, we are all done. This is the final result. I hope you guys liked it. I know it was a little bit of more work just because I used all kinds of different little colors. I hope you guys did really like it and enjoyed it. And if you guys did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And then hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.